If you ever make sudden hiccups and hear that annoying sound, do not panic. Most people think it comes from your throat, but that's not it. A hiccup begins when the muscle beneath your lungs suddenly spasms on its own. That spasm pulls air in too fast, and your vocal cords snap shut without warning. That sudden stop in airflow is what creates the hic sound. So, how do you stop it? I'll tell you. But first, if you've ever had a sudden hiccups, tap like, hit subscribe, share, and comment. I love my mom forever. Take a slow, deep breath and hold it for about 10 seconds. This relaxes the diaphragm and resets the nerve that's misfiring. Another option is to drink cold water slowly. It helps interrupt the spasm.